back to my channel. So today we are actually not going to do the dance combo. As you see in the title of this video, we're doing a review. So we're going to do a review from tap move number 6 all the way to tap move number 10. Now this review is going to be a quick review just so you guys can see just a quick reminder of what moves we'll be doing in the tap dance. So I'm not going to be teaching it thoroughly. I'm not going to be teaching it basically at all. But if you really want a quick reminder of how to do the step, I'll have all the links to the videos in the description box. So check that out if you're like, oh my gosh, I don't remember this move. Just click on the link and it'll teach you thoroughly. But this is just to show you what we'll be doing in the dance. So now that I've explained it, we're going to start with the first one. So it is tap move number 6, which is heel brush toe heel. This was the first one we did for the tap move series, I guess you could say. I'm going to face the back first, and then I'm going to face the front. And I'm going to do this at a normal speed. Like I said, I'm not going to be teaching it really. If you are confused, please check out the links. They'll help out a lot. All right, so I'm going to start with my right foot. Ready? And. Alright, I'm going to face the front now. Starting with my right foot again, I do. Alright, so the next one is tap move number 7. This is the traveling tap steps. So this is the one where I was just on the spot doing the heel brush toe heel, but you're traveling. This one might look confusing if you didn't watch it, so just pre-warning you, you might want to check it out if you haven't looked at it. Or if you did look at it a while ago, you might need to refresh your memory on it because it is a little bit of a harder step. Alright, so this is tap move number 7. Here we go. So I'm traveling. I'm going to be traveling towards you guys. And I'm doing the heel brush toe heel. Ready? This is at normal speed. Here we go. And. Again. Nice step. Yeah, so that's the heel brush toe heel, but the traveling tap steps. Okay, moving on to tap move number 8 is the step, shuffle, ball, change. This one's a little bit easier, I think, than the traveling tap steps, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, I'm going to do it at normal speed. So this is tap move number 8. Ready? Starting with my right foot. Actually, I'm going to face the back, just so you guys can see it with the right feet. All right, starting with my right foot. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, facing the front. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, tap move number 9 is the brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, cross, shuffle step. Now we learned the brush, cross, toe, toe in the earlier tap videos from the tap move number 1 to tap move number 5, but this one adds a shuffle to it. So this is tap move number 9. Ready? I'm going to face the back first and then I'll face the front. Starting with my right foot. Always. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, facing the front. And a 5, 6 with my right foot. All right. Now, last move. We just recently learned this a couple weeks ago. It is the Irish step. So this is tap move number 10, the Irish step. So I'm gonna have my hands down because, like I was explaining in the video, you start learning with your hands in your waist, but eventually it'd be nice to have your hands down, just like how Irish dancers do it. So I'm gonna face the back first, and I'll face the front. Ready? And 5, 6 with my right foot, 7, 8. starting with my right foot. Arms down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so that was all the moves starting from tap move number 6 to tap move number 10. Like I said, if you have any questions or are very confused, please check out those links. They will help out so much. So the next video in our tap series will be the tap combination, and it'll be a lot of fun too. So please stick around and practice those moves so you're ready for the dance. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.